It is the only mobility device I've had that makes me feel 100% safe. The way the Alinker has made a difference in my life is when I go out with friends or family, it's allowed me to stay caught up with them. It's allowed me to stay at eye level with them, and there's no pain or discomfort when I use it. It is the only mobility device I've had that makes me feel 100% safe while I'm using it, because there's no chance of slipping if we come over ice. I never feel any type of pain using the Alinker, and it's done wonderful things for when we go to big events, or, as I said, just go on walks, and it allows me to really participate. It's an awesome thing, and I'm so grateful that it came into my life, because it makes so many things like going to the grocery store and getting around school and so many other different things way easier. The Alinker really helps me practice my posture, and it allows me to keep a straight back. With the walkers and my side crutches, my shoulders are sometimes kind of in and bent forward. Meanwhile, as I said, on the Alinker I'm just sitting up straight and my shoulders are in a great position. It's made so many things so much better in my life. From my own experience, I want you to know that the Alinker will change your kid's life.